In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set up your UEW student email. So first, you open your web browser. I have Google Chrome here, so I'll open my Google Chrome. The first thing that you do is you will open the email that you used for your admission. So if it is a Gmail, you open gmail.com. If it's a Gmail account, you open gmail.com. If it's an Outlook account, whoever is the email provider, you log into their website. In my case, I used Gmail for my admission, so I'll go on gmail.com. So when it comes like this, I go to sign in. Some of you may have already signed that email on your computer already, but I am considering those who have not signed in. So I used my email, that email that you used to do the admission. Click on next. Then I enter my password and I click on next. I have 2FA on the account, so I just check my phone. Then I click on yes, it is me. It will sign me in. I don't want to create a pass key on this computer, so I'll click on not now. This is your individual preference. If you want to create a pass key, you do it. But I don't want any of these things, so just click on no, thanks. So after you have gotten into your account, you look for the email that you got after paying your fees. So if you check inside, this is when I purchased my voucher. This is where they give me those letters. This is where I paid the fees. Then this is the email I got after paying my fees. So in this mail, you are going to get your student number, your UEW password, and then your email address, which goes in the format your student number, and then at st.uew.edu.gh. Every student is assigned a specific password, so you need this password to be able to use this student number and email for the first time. So this email, you can open it on Gmail because it's hosted on Google Workspace. Because you already have your first email logged in, you just come and click on your picture app here inside the Gmail, then you click on add accounts. So add accounts, you are going to now type in your student's ID or the student's number. So mine, at st.uew.edu.gh. Then you click on next. So here you are going to use the password that the school gave you when you paid the school fees to sign in. This password starts with UEW with some digits. So you type in that password here. Then you click on next. What's left for you to do here is to read and agree to the terms and conditions of holding such email accounts. Then you click on I understand. That is, it will take you to a page where you have to create a new password, which is a standard password policy for organizations. Because the other password was generated by the system, you have to enter your own password, which you will be using to log into that account, meaning nobody will have access to your account. Then you click on change password. For that, you wait for a while for the account to load. There we go. You now have your email set up. So it is this account that you will use to log in or sign up the VClass. So in the next video, I'll be covering how we can sign up or log into the VClass.